Hello students, welcome. This is our new lection and here we are talking about future plans with be going to. Let's work with this structure. This is not about future simple. Be going to, this is not a future tense, not a present tense. This is just the separate structure for future plans. This is like the planning. If you want to translate, this is a plan. I am planning. I am going to go to the cinema. I am planning. So, let's pause our lection and future. Be going to. Be going to form. Be. We need to change am is are. Depends of the subject. Okay, I am. He, she, it is. You, they are. Going to. After to, we need to put the infinitive of the verb. Just infinitive form. The base form of the verb. This is infinitive, first form of the verb. And I am going to go to the cinema. This is my plan. I am planning to do it. This is only my plan. If in the present continuous you need to have a person, you need to decide with someone and organize the plan. In the future, when you use will, modal verb will, I will go to the cinema. This is a spontaneous decision of the time of speaking. Here, this is a plan that I decided to do in the past, but I decided to do it by myself, with anyone else. Right now I am talking about this plan. In the future I am going to do this plan. I don't need to show the exact time of this action, of this plan. I just want to say about this plan, that's all. So I don't have another person because this is my plan, and I don't need to show a specific time or specific place where this plan will be or when this plan will be, okay? Just I'm going to go to the shop, I'm going to go to the cinema, I am going to go to the library. That's all. I am planning to do it. When, I don't know, but I am planning. This is the main explanation, the definition of this be going to structure. This is not the tense, no. This is not a tense. This is just the separate structure for future plans. When you are talking about your plans, which you want to do alone. I'm going to take a few exams at the end of the year. I, subject, am to be, go plus ing, the main verb of the action, like for present continuous, yeah, but here you have the standard form am going to, yeah, am going to. After to you can put the infinitive take, okay? So but going, yes, it's like created how go plus ing, we can call it like gerund, yeah, infinitive plus ing, but this is a structure. Be going to, after that infinitive. I'm going to take a few exams at the end of the year. Here, she said when, at the end of the year. So it depends of your desire, but she can avoid this part of the sentence. She can just say, I'm going to take a few exams. In some context, in some dialogues, yes, with some people. But if you want, you can show when. You can show a specific time, a specific time period. It allows you to do here. But this is not unnecessary. This is no like for every time that you need to do it. It is going to be difficult to get a job during the summer as the tourist industry is suffering from the economic downturn. Okay, it subject is going to the structure of our plan, yeah, and be infinitive verb of the action. This is, it's going to be difficult. It is planning to be difficult. It's like planning. When? We don't know. It's going to be difficult. For some situation, yeah? For some situation about tourist industry because of some reasons. And also, we can use be going to for these sentences, for these situations. When something is going to be, something is going to be, something planning to be. Okay, next. Right now you can create your 10 sentences with be going to, like about your plans. I'm going to go on my holidays when? In the summer, for example, yeah, in June. Next, be going to use this. Be going to is commonly used in formal styles. Intentions, predictions, commands. And we of course need to take a look to our examples. So intentions first use, we use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Usually the decision about the future plans has already been made. Yes, in the past. In the past we made a decision. Right now we are talking about this decision, about this future plan, and we will do it in the future. Of course, we are going to do it in the future. So, first example, she is going to be a professional dancer when she grows up. This is her plan for the future. Yeah, she's planning to be someone in her future. I am going to be a professional teacher. Yeah, I'm going to look for a new place to live next month. When? Next month. Here we can show the time period. Of course, I'm going to look, I'm planning to look. Yeah, I am going to the structure look, infinitive verb of the action. Next use. Separate right now also for you some examples like intentions. Write sentences, after that the second use, after that the third use. And for each of these use of the be going to, you need to write your own sentences. Predictions. We use be going to predict something that we think is certain to happen or which we have evidence for now. Predictions. It is going to snow again soon. The speaker can probably see dark snow clouds. Yeah, so this is a prediction. We see something and we can make a prediction. It is going to snow again soon. When? Soon. When? I don't know when soon. We can't control the weather, but we can predict the weather. Yeah? So, look out, he's going to break that glass. He, subject, is going to the structure, yeah? To break. To plus infinitive. After to, we need to put infinitive of the action. Break the glass. So, he is planning to break that glass. This is a prediction. He is just playing. He is playing some games outside, but they think they want to make a prediction about the future. He is going to break the glass. Maybe he don't want to do it, like, at all. This is not his plan. This is just their prediction of his actions about because they see he is playing, so he is breaking this glass, but he is going to break the glass, but maybe not. This is not a 100% predictions and it will happen. No, it's just a prediction. Just someone's thoughts. So that's what we're talking about, like the action when we use be going to, it not 100% will happen. It's just a plan. But plan, we can change our plan. If you're talking about present continuous for arrangement, 100% it will happen, of course. Will, spontaneous decisions, maybe we just decided right now at the time of speaking this is spontaneous, of course it can be changed. But be going to, we decided in the past to do something. We right now talking about it. But in the future, yeah, like 75%, 90%, we are going to do it. But we can change our plans. We use be going to when we give commands or state that something is obligatory. Parent to a child, for example. Yes, commands. So let's take a look on our examples. You are going to pick up all of those toys right now. This room is a mess. You're going to pick up. So this is like a command. This is like a command of the future plan, yeah, for the person. So it was some common examples and uses about be going to structure for future plans. And also you need to write uses of the be going to and write your examples. And you will see how to use be going to in your practical speaking, in daily life. Thank you for this lesson. I will see you in the next lection. Have a great day, stay positive, learn English, and have fun. Thank you. Bye bye, students.